All right, for number 2, it says, at the animal shelter, 64/100ths of the animals are cats. Of those cats, 63/100ths are male. What amount of animals at the shelter are male? So a lot of us probably want to say 63/10ths, but that's too easy. That's in the problem. So we know that there are 64/100ths animals of the animals at the shelter that are cats. Of those animals, 63/100ths are male. Well, guys, decimals are just another way to write fractions because essentially this right here is the same as saying 63/100ths, and this right here is the same thing as saying 64/100ths. So what I'm saying is, of the 64/100ths, 63 of those hundredths are males. So when we ever hear that word of with fractions, we should automatically be thinking multiplication, and that's exactly what we're going to do here. 0 and 64/100ths times 0 and 63/100ths. So we're going to just solve as if it were a normal multiplication problem, ignoring those decimal points. 4 times 3 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1, 1. Get rid, drop a 0. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 2 is 38. 6 times 0 is 0 plus 3. And now we'll add. We have a 2, we have a 3, we have a 10, we have a 4. So looking back at our problem, I solved it by making it 10 times larger, 100 times larger. So we completed 2 jumps. Then I made this number 10 times larger, 100 times larger, and giving it 2 jumps. So all in all, I have to give my answer 4 jumps down here. We went to the right to make it bigger. We're now going to go to the left to make it smaller. My hidden decimal point is always behind my ones place, so it's going to be right here behind the 2. We're making it 10 times, 100 times, 1,000 times, 10,000 times smaller. So how many of those cats are actually male? Well, 4,032 10,000ths of them are male.